Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to naturally treat swollen legs and feet with the use of sensitive plants. This natural remedy is very effective and it works like magic. So without wasting time, let's dive in today's video. This plant is scientifically known as Mimosa pudica, and other names include sleepy plant. It is also known as action plant, umbo plant, and touch me not plant. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my future video when I upload. Thank you. Okay, the first thing you are going to do is to get your sharp scissors, then cut your sensitive plant. Just get enough of it, get enough of the leaves. Okay, the next thing you'll be needing is native white chalk or calabash chalk. It is called native white chalk or calabash chalk and shea butter. This is the three things you'll be needing: sensitive leaf, calabash chalk, and shea butter. Then what you'll be doing next is to crush your sensitive plant or sensitive leaf. Crush it to a powder form. Crush it very well. You can use your mortar to crush it. Whatever you want to use in crushing your sensitive leaves, just crush it very well. Then after that, you are going to be adding your calabash chalk to it. Then after adding to it, you still crush everything together. After you have crushed everything to a powder form, you then transfer it to an airtight container. Then after that, you are going to mix shea butter to the crushed leaves. You are going to mix shea butter to it. Then what you'll be doing is that you'll be applying it on the affected area, on the affected leg or feet where you have swollen legs or swollen feet. Just apply it there, and it work best at night. Just apply it before going to bed, leave it overnight, then you wash it off the next morning. It works like magic. You see, the legs will start reducing. Just do it every day. After 3 days or 4 days, everything will just go. Just apply it very well on the affected area. So guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks so much for watching my video, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment on the comment section.